So Xiaomi has sent me out this mystery box and I need your help to solve the puzzle. So basically in here we have 3 clues which relate to 3 films, and those 3 films relate to 3 movie features that we're going to see on the next Xiaomi flagship device. So check out the clues and let me know what your thoughts are on each one, what film it is and what camera feature they're hinting at. You ready? Let's go. So this is the first clue. This is an origami unicorn. Now I've got a good idea what this is. I'll put what my thoughts are on this. I know the film, I'm very sure I know the film, but the camera feature could be one of many. Let me know the camera feature you think they're hinting at with this origami unicorn. So the sunglasses, this is clue number 2. I think this one's quite easy to guess what film it is, and there's one particular camera feature that I think really stands out as the most prominent from this particular film, but there's a ton of camera features in that movie. Let me know which one you think it is. So this is a spinning top, and I'm guessing you guys probably know what this is from. That's good, I'm not in the dream world. So let me know what camera feature stands out in your mind when it comes to that film that features this spinning top. That one's kind of the one that I'm stuck on a little bit. Let me know what camera feature they're hinting at with that particular movie. I think I've got an idea, but I'm not exactly sure what they call it. So let me know in the comments below. Alright, spoiler alert, I'm about to show you guys what my guesses are. Look away now if you don't want to know. Also turn your volume down because I'm about to read them out here. Hope you guys can see this. I had to use stickers because I found a pen. It turned out to be a permanent marker. So I had to use stickers here. So clue number 1 was the origami unicorn, and that was featured in Blade Runner. Now Blade Runner is a very dark movie, so I'm assuming Xiaomi are hinting at the night video mode that we're going to see on the Xiaomi Mi 11. And clue number 2 was the sunglasses, which has to be the Matrix. Now the Matrix is famous for one really specific type of cinematography, and that was the bullet time, where it kind of freezes time and moves around. Now I don't imagine the phone's going to be able to move around, but there is one video feature which looks really cool and I've heard about, and it's the video freeze frame feature. So bullet time in the Matrix, freeze frame feature on the Xiaomi Mi 11. So you can actually take a video and then freeze time, and it just creates this really nice cinematic effect. The third clue, the spinning top. Now that's got to be Inception, that film when they go levels deep into the dream world, and that was filmed by Christopher Nolan, and one thing he's well known for is that sliding zoom effect. It was actually Alfred Hitchcock, I think, who started that originally, but it was used apparently quite a lot in the film Inception. So the dolly zoom, where you kind of move the camera forward whilst zooming out, or the other way around, it gives this really nice cinematic effect where the background kind of moves but the focal point stays in focus and in the middle of the frame. Really cool effect. I think that's something we're going to see on the Xiaomi Mi 11 as well. Let me know if you think I nailed it or not, or if there's any other features that I'm not aware of that it could be. I was thinking for the Inception one, maybe it could be the sort of kaleidoscope effect where it kind of bends reality. Like I've seen sort of those kind of camera effects on certain phones before, so maybe it's that, I don't know. And one last thing, I want to let you guys in on a little secret, and that is, see that red button below this video? If you hit that, good karma will come your way, I guarantee it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.
Another Riddlergram. It saddens me, Commissioner, but I just don't